I have been a tech content creator for almost 8 years now. And in the past 8 years, the tech industry in India has grown massively, both on the brand side as well as the creator side. Luckily, I have been a part of this incredible journey. I mean, the fact that we can make a living out of reviewing technology is just insane, and I feel incredibly lucky to be a part of this industry. But there always has to be a but, right? In the past few years, I've noticed that the industry has changed a lot, both on the brand as well as the creator side. I'll give you an example. How should a tech review work? Say I am a tech content creator doing a very good job, I have a good audience as well, I make high quality content, and a brand who's launching a new smartphone reaches out to me. They say that we have this new product, would you like to review it? I say yes. Then they will send the product to me before launch. I am very excited. I test out the product, make my content with all the pointers and feedback, upload it. People like it, people watch it, and even the brands take constructive feedback out of that content. That's how a normal tech review should work. The creator produces the content, uploads it, and then the brand sees it, right? And that's how it still works in a lot of the Western countries. But in India, the scenario is completely different. See, brands over here realize that they can control what the creator is saying by just sponsoring the video. So before launching a new product, the brand will reach out to the creator, they will finalize on an X amount, and the entire video will be controlled by the brand. And you can easily spot this across product launches. Say a new smartphone has launched and the brand knows that the camera is the weakest point about this smartphone. They will control the narrative in such a way that all the creators talk about the camera towards the end or don't talk about the camera at all. For example, say the smartphone has the best display in the segment or is coming with a new processor, the creators will focus a lot on that aspect because the brands want the creators to focus on that aspect. And I have done this too. I am a part of the problem. I have realized this in the past few months that brands are trying to control the narrative to a very big extent. Recently, I've come across brands which are very paranoid about controlling the narrative. They control the thumbnail, title, description, each and everything. And fundamentally, this is wrong. If you are reviewing a product, the brand should see the review after everyone sees it and not before everyone sees it. Because if they see the review before and try to change things, then the people will not get to know the truth, and that is messed up. And creators over here are also part of the problem. But I get the perspective of the creator because I've been in that position. See, AdSense revenue in India is very low and creators cannot sustain on AdSense revenue alone. So they have to look for sponsors. And brands are ready to sponsor them, give them huge amounts of money as long as they can control the narrative. And I've been in this position. When I first saw the amount the brand is ready to pay, I was like, damn, this is a very big amount and a very big revenue for the channel. So it's a pretty lucrative deal and very hard to say no to. And people who speak up and go against the brand are blacklisted immediately and their revenue drops immediately. After all, it's a business. Creators have to think about revenue. But this definitely affects the audience. The audience is not getting value because of this problem and they're not getting to know the truth because of this problem. So I feel that things need to change and they will change on my channel. I started this journey with the intention of providing high quality tech content to the consumers and giving them value out of my content. Like potentially they could make a purchase decision by watching my video, and I want to be honest with the audience. I want to tell you the truth. I want to tell you what's wrong with this device. I want to tell you what's good with this device. Whatever I tell you should come from me and not from the brand. That is the main job of a reviewer. So yeah, I've been a part of the problem, but I will be a part of the solution as well. I've reached a stage where I realized that revenue doesn't only come from brands. There are other revenue sources as well, and I'm going to build those other sources of revenue so that I don't have to worry about the business part of things. I can just focus on making high quality content, being honest and having fun, because working with brands who control the narrative is not fun at all. So here are the things that are changing on this channel. Number one is that I will handpick the products that I review. I cannot review everything out there, so the products will be handpicked. Number two is that I will take my time with each and every review. I am not going to rush into embargoes. I will take my time, do my testing, and then upload my review. Number three is that sponsorships will be taken from brands who give me creative freedom and ones which don't try to control the narrative. Those are the only brands that I will work with. And number four is that I will have fun with each and every video, because that is the most important thing. See, there are tech creators out there who are doing a great job. They're honest and earning good money as well. So it can be done. If a brand wants to blacklist me because I'm being honest, then go ahead. Please blacklist me, because you are the problem. I am not the problem. And I know that after seeing this video, a lot of the brand managers are going to get angry. They might not work with me. They might not send me devices, but I'm completely okay with it. If they don't send, I will buy it and review it, because that's the power a reviewer has got. A reviewer can always buy a product and review it, and no one can say no to that. So yeah, I am really sorry, but don't worry, a solution is on the way. You will definitely notice a big change on the channel. I am going back to the basics. I'm going back to the drawing board, and let's see what type of content comes out. And I feel that I've reached this stage because of the audience. Without the audience, I am nothing. You guys have shown a lot of support over the years, and I hope that you continue this support because that is the main thing. Audience is the main thing. I hope you will support me in the future as well. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Bye bye.